Hi, in this video we will answering the question how to modify existing unpushed commit messages. For this we will use Visual Studio Code, but we can use any IDE and GitHub. So as you may see, we have a really simple program with a really simple repository which is pushed to my GitHub. And now we'll do a commit with a message. As you may see, the commit is done locally on the machine with the message heya, and maybe we don't want to put this message, we want to put another one. So to modify this message before pushing to our repository, we can use this command which I have commented here, git commit amend m and the message. So I'll just paste it here. And as you may see, by using this command, we can specify here the new message which we want to go in the place of the old message, being here in our case. So the commit message has been modified, and if I push this now to my repository, and I do a little refresh, as you may see, the new commit message has been added.